is located on the grounds of Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. Station KWO35 broadcasts on a frequency of 162.55. Transmitted at the request of the New York Emergency Management Agency, New York City, New York. The New York State Police and the New York Police Department's Highway Patrol Division have reported numerous vehicle accidents and explosions as a result of extremely reduced visibility around the area and have caused significant damage across the New York metropolitan area. Due to this unusual event occurring, driving is extremely dangerous and hazardous as roadways have become impassable due to collapsed structures, instances of dust, and debris. In addition, unusual clouds of dust have been reported along major roadways which may reduce visibility further. If you become enveloped in a dust cloud, do not panic. Remain where you are and use clothing to cover your eyes, nose, and mouth. If you become stranded, emergency vehicles will not be able to reach you. If you are stranded, stay in your vehicle. Run your vehicle 10 minutes per hour and crack a downwind window for ventilation. Remain approximately 35 feet away of compromised power lines, which poses a significant electrical hazard. Residents who are not in a vehicle are strongly recommended to shelter in place until further notice.
Oh no.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the Red House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States U.S. representative will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system.
This is an emergency action notification number 2. Red card.
Red card.
All broadcast stations and cable systems should transmit this emergency action notification.
To the end of the world?
This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KWO 35 New York City. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune the stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to KWO 35 serving the New York City area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Make your food fun with Shaun the Sheep in your Happy Meal.
Tornadoes are one of the most feared and destructive forces on the planet, capable of producing catastrophic damage in a matter of seconds. And it's that trail of destruction that is used to determine the tornado's rating. It's called the Enhanced Fujita Scale, or EF scale. And today, all the ingredients are coming together for some big storms. Let's take a look outside. Trouble is already brewing. We've got a tornado warning for that cell right there. This is when you and your family need to get to your safe place to ride out the storm. Wow, take a look at this storm. It's incredible. Great looking structure here, guys. We've got rotation going on at the base here. All right, a lowering of that base. We call this a supercell, by the way. A rotating thunderstorm is a supercell. Not all of them produce tornadoes, but this one's got a chance. We're watching this base. It's lowering. Almost looks like there's a funnel starting to appear from the wall cloud. Yes, there it is. Do we have debris on the ground? Yes, we do. There's a debris cloud, a connection. Now you have a tornado on the ground, at this time.
Handsome. I told him we were having smoked Gouda chicken.
It's a rental.
This is an emergency action notification number 2, red card. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in its site areas. This is WABC TV. You will continue to serve the New York City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is WABC TV. You will continue furnishing news, official information, and instructions for the New York City area. If you are not in the New York City area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station and your local area. This is a presidential alert issued by the Strategic Homeland Intervention Enforcement and Logistics Division. Approximately 5 minutes ago, after the recent civil danger warning was issued for New York, the president declared a national state of emergency in response to the widespread phenomenon which has been reported across the country, and not just in New York City. It has been confirmed that similar reports have been received from multiple other countries. However, the source of this strange event has not been identified as of now. In addition, there is no official explanation to the events that have occurred. Resulting disaster-related events persist to pose a significant threat to life and property. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration have reported that 46 of crew members aboard the International Space Station have also vanished, and it is expected that the station will become unstable and fall to Earth as a result of gravitational pulls, and all communications will become useless. The White House Press Secretary has confirmed that President Barack Obama, Vice President Joe Biden, and 15 other members of the presidential line of succession have been affected by this phenomenon and have unfortunately disappeared. The President has declared that 2/5 of chiefs of staff and the secretaries of defense have vanished, and Congress has stated that half of the House of Representatives and half of the Senate have also disappeared. The transition of power is currently underway, and the pre-recorded audio of the President addressing the nation about this event will now be played on the air shortly. Do not panic. I repeat, do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. At this time, please gather all of your family and pets and take attendance of who is missing and remain in your homes. Leave the sheet on your door who is accounted for, who is missing for officials to try to take an emergency census. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. Please stand by.